Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our English lecture. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. Today we are going to learn grammar. Students, the topic is nouns. In that, we are going to learn types of nouns. So here, proper noun and common noun. So students, let's start with the definition and examples. Learn noun with example. So students, in that we are going to learn types of noun. So types of nouns are common noun, proper noun. So students, first of all, today we are going to learn noun and its types. So first of all students, what is noun? A definition of noun is, a noun is a word that is used to name people, animals, things, place, etc. So here the first, name of the person, mother, father, milkman. Name of animals, dog, giraffe, bear. Name of things, jar, kite, bat. Name of places, school, St. Peter Hospital, home. So students, these all are noun. We called as noun. Now let's see the examples again of nouns. Mother, father, milkman. These are people, or we can call persons. Dog, bear, giraffe. These are animals. Jar, bat, kite. These are things. School, hospital, home. These are place. So students, I had explained you what is noun and its example also I had explained you. Right? Now students, move to the next one. It's the types of noun. In that, we are going to learn a common noun. So, the definition of a common noun. Nouns can be of various types. The types of nouns is common noun. A common noun is a word used for identifying a class of person, animals, place or things. So, here the example of common noun. Name of person, man, woman, professor. Name of animals, cat, duck, lion. Name of things, book, flower, tree. Name of places, tower, garden, city. So students, these all are the example of common noun. So here the short recap of the common noun, the example of the common noun. Man, professor, woman. These all are common noun of peoples. Cat, duck, lion. These are all the examples of animals. Garden, tower, city. These are the example of places in the common noun. Book, flower, tree. These are the examples of things in the common noun. So students, now move to the next type of noun. First we had learned noun, right? Then I had explained you about common noun. Now the next is a proper noun. So here the definition of the proper noun. The second type of noun is a proper noun. A proper noun is the actual name of a person, animal, place or things. It always starts with a capital letter. Students, in a proper noun, the actual name of the person, animal, place or things, in that the very first letter will be capital letter. So students, the example of proper noun. Name of persons. Mr. White, Aunt Jane, Professor Kate. Students, this same pic I had shown you in the common noun also. But for Mr. White we called as man. Aunt Jane we called as woman. And Professor Kate we had called professor in the common noun. Right students? In a proper noun means the actual name of the person is Mr. White, Aunt Jane, Professor Kate. So students, everyone understood? Now next. Name of animals. Kitty, Daffy Duck, Sher Khan. Students, the same pic, if I show in a common noun, it will be cat, duck, lion. Right? But in a proper noun means the actual name of the animal. So the very first one, it's a kitty, Daffy Duck, Sher Khan. So students, everyone understood? Now next. Name of things. Cinderella, Lily, Gulmohar. Students, same pic I had shown you in the common noun. But common noun, the very first one, it's a book. Second, flower. And the last one, it's a tree in the common noun. But in the proper noun will be Cinderella, Lily, Gulmohar. It's a proper noun. So students, everyone understood till here? Now move the next. It's a name of places. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Botanical Garden, New Delhi. So here in a proper noun we call the actual name of the places, right? Leaning Tower of Pisa, Botanical Garden, New Delhi. But the same pic I had shown you in the common noun also, right? The very first one we had called tower, next garden, and the last one is a city. But in the proper noun means the actual name of the places we call Leaning Tower of Pisa, Botanical Garden, New Delhi. So students, everyone understood? So just a short recap of the proper noun. Examples of proper nouns include Mr. White, Aunt Jane, Professor Kate. These all are the persons, or we can call people. The examples of peoples. Kitty, Daffy Duck, Sher Khan. These all are the example of animals in proper noun. Cinderella, Lily, Gulmohar. These all are the examples of things in proper noun. Leaning Tower of Pisa, Botanical Garden, New Delhi. These all are the examples of places in proper noun. So students, now everyone understood? I had explained you nouns and the types of nouns, right? So now everyone just open your combined book and take out your pencil so that you can write the notes. So student, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the page number 42 of your combined book. The topic is nouns, proper and common nouns. As you can see, the very first question it is written, write a proper noun for each of the following. One is done for you. Means the very first one, it's an example. A girl, Sonali, right? So here the second one, a soap, dash. Means you have to write the answer. Particular, a proper noun, a actual name of the thing. It's Lux. Third word, a toothpaste. So now the toothpaste actual name. What is the name of that toothpaste? That you have to mention in the answer. So the answer is Colgate. Student, the fourth one is a book. As you can see in the book, there are so many letters are there, right? So we have to give a actual name for the book. So answer is English alphabet book. So students, now move to the next page, page number 43. So here the fifth one, a dog. We have to give the actual name of the dog. So I have written the answer is Moti. Sixth one, a man. So we have to give a proper name for the man. So the man name is Ram. Seventh one, a school. Students, we have to mention the school. As we can see on the pic, there is the school name is S.V.S. Vidyalay. It is written on the pic. Next, 8.1, a newspaper. So we have to give a proper name for the newspaper. As you can see in the newspaper, it is written the Times. So the answer is the Times. 9th one, a chocolate. Students, we have to give a proper name for the chocolate. So the answer is Dairy Milk. 10th one, a pen. Answer is cello ink pen. So students, everyone understood the page number 42 and 43. Now move to the next. It's page number 44, as you can see on your mobile. So students, the very first question is, pick out the proper and common nouns in the sentence given below and write them in the proper columns. So students, total 12 sentences are there, right? From first to 6, I am going to give you the answer so that you can understand how to write the answer. But after that, 7 to 12, that part it's an homework. So students, come to the very first one. This train goes to Mumbai. So students, as you can see, train is the common noun and Mumbai is the proper noun. So in the page number 45, there are two columns are there. One side we have to write the proper noun. Whatever the words, it's a proper noun, we have to put in the proper noun. If the word is a common, so we have to put in the common noun. So here the first one, this train goes to Mumbai. So students, train is a common noun. So I have written the answer in the common noun. Mumbai. Mumbai is the actual place name, right? So it's a proper noun. I have wrote down in the proper noun. So students, now second one, Amita is my sister. Students, Amita is the proper noun, right? So we have to write down in the proper noun. Sister is the common noun. So I have written the answer in the common noun side. Now the third one, our school reopens in June. Students, school is the common noun. So I have written the answer in the common noun. June is the month name, means it's a proper noun. So I have written in the proper noun side. Okay. Now fourth one, Mary, Akshay and Tani are good friends. So here students, three names are there, right? The actual name. So I have written in the proper nouns. Mary, Akshay, Tani are the proper noun. Friends are the common noun. So I have written in the common noun side. Now the fifth one. We went to Matheran in May. Students, the word Matheran and May, they both are the proper noun. So I have written Matheran and May, both the answer in proper noun. And in the fifth one, there is no common noun. So we have to put just a simple dash. Now the sixth one. I have a parrot named Mickey. So students, here parrot. Parrot is the common noun. There are so many parrots are there. So it's a common noun. Mickey. Mickey is the actual name. So I have written in the proper noun. So students, everyone understood. So students, the pic which is flash, page number 46 on your mobile phone. It's an homework part. you have to write essay. Essay means composition. A composition on vegetable. The vegetables you like most. So, draw a picture of your favorite vegetable and write a few sentences about it. The following points will help you. Means you have to draw a vegetable which you like most, which is your favorite one. That drawing you have to draw in this box. Plus in the next page you have to write some points about whatever the vegetables you have drawn. That vegetables points you have to write. Example, the name of the vegetable, which color is it, the shape and size, how it is cooked. As you know, vegetables, most of all vegetables we cooked and eat, right? So how it is cooked. What do you eat it with? That vegetable with which thing you eat. Example, roti or dal chawal. With which things you eat that vegetable. Its benefit. How it is benefit to us, right? For our health. That points you have to write in the next page. Page number 47. That part it's an homework. Now students, move to the next page. Page number 48. Our animal friends. As you know students, most of the animals we kept as a pet animal, right? And some of animals is our best friends also. Example, which animals we keep at home as a pet. We called as best friends also, right? So here let's see what is the question. A bee lives in a hive. Can you guess the home of these animals? Means the 1 to 10, there are some animals names are there, and where do they live? That answer we have to write. Example, the very first one, it is a dog lives in a dash. Answer is kennel. Second one, a rabbit lives in a burrow. Third one, a horse lives in a stable. Fourth one, a pig lives in a sty. Fifth one, a cow lives in a shed. Sixth one, a hen lives in a coop. Seventh one, a spider lives in a web. Eighth one, an ant lives in an ant hill. Ninth one, an egg lives in an eyrie. 10th one, a lion lives in a den. So students, we had completed page number 48. Now move to the page number 49, the next page. So students, the page number 49. Students, here which qualities will you use for the following animals? Choose your answers from the list. So the very first one, as huge as an elephant. Second one, as blind as a bat. Third one, as strong as a lion. Fourth one, as fast as a horse. Fifth one, as brave as a monkey. Now students, the sixth one, as stubborn as a donkey. Seventh one, as colorful as a butterfly. Eighth one, as slow as a tortoise. Ninth one, as stubborn as a mule. 10th one, as hardworking as an ant. 11th one, as cunning as a fox. 12th one, as naughty as a hare. 13th one, as quiet as a mouse. 14th one, as proud as a peacock. So students, we had completed page number 48 and 49. So students, we will start with the revision, right? Students, in a previous lecture, I had explained you the revision part. In that, I had explained you question number 2, A1. So now, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the revision part, right? In that, I am going to start with the question number 2, B1. Question number 2, A1 I had given you in a previous lecture till question number 2A1. Now from today I am going to start with the question number 2B1. So the question is, who said to whom? The very first question is, oh yes you can. The answer is, the uncle said to the little boy. Second one, what's the matter little boy? Answer, the little boy's mother asked to the little boy. Third one, come let's do it now. Answer, the little boy's mother said to little boy. Fourth one, please accept this, your majesty. Answer, Sindbad said to the king of the island. Fifth one, the desks and benches are all crooked. Answer, Miss Nina said to her students. Sixth one, now that's my favorite class. Answer, Miss Nina said to her students. Students, in the exam, the pattern will be the same, but in who said to whom, maybe the question will be different. So, for that reason, you have to study the revision part plus whatever the notes I had given you in a previous lecture, that part also you have to study for the exam. Now students, move to the next question. As question number 3A1, give opposites word. In that, the very first one, satisfied. Answer, dissatisfied. Second one, best. Answer, worst. Third word, sick. Answer, well. Fourth word, hurry. Answer, slow. Fifth word, quick. Answer, slow. Sixth word, worry. Answer, carefree. Seventh word, care. Answer, ignore. Eighth word, neatly. Answer, untidily. Ninth word, fresh. Answer, still. 10th word, hard. Answer, soft. 11th word, young. Answer, old. 12th word, together. Answer, separate. 13th word, believe. Answer, disbelieve. 14th word, deep. Answer, shallow. 15th word, valuable. Answer, cheap. So students, we had completed the opposite words. Right? Students, again I am saying, in the exam, the pattern will be the same, but the opposite word may be different. In that, the questions may be different. So, for that reason, you have to study the revision part plus whatever the notes I had given you in a previous lecture. Whatever the notes you have written in the notebook or in the combined book, that part also you have to study for the exam. So students, everyone understood? You have to study both the things, revision as well as whatever the notes I had given you in the previous lecture. So students, now move to the next question. Question number 3rd B. Give rhyming words. In that, the very first word is care. Answer is chair. Second word, effort. Answer is fort. Third word, way. Answer is day. Fourth word, valuable. Answer is able. Fifth word, grooms. Answer is rooms. Sixth word, worry. Answer is hurry. Seventh word, goodbye. Answer is sky. Eighth word, scream. Answer is cream. Ninth word, afford. Answer is float. 10th word, before. Answer is floor. 11th word, alive. Answer is life. 12th word, cool. Answer is pool. 13th word, milk. Answer is silk. 14th word brown. Answer is down. 15th word weather. Answer is together. So students, we had completed the rhyming words, right? Again I am saying students, the pattern will be the same in the exam, but maybe the rhyming word will be different. For that reason, you have to study the revision part plus whatever the notes I had given you in the previous lecture, whatever the notes you have written in the notebook as well as in the combined book, that part also you have to study for the exam. Right students, both the things you have to study, revision as well as whatever the notes I had given you in the previous lecture. Now move to the question number 4A1. Write where you will put the following. First word, it's a pencil. So where we are keeping the pencil? In the compass box. Second word, cup. Students, where we keep the cup? Yes, on the shelf. Third word, banana peel. Students, where we put the banana peel? In the dustbin. Fourth word, doll. Students, where we keep the dolls? Yes, in the toy box. Fifth word, vegetable peel. Students, where we put the vegetable peel? Yes, in the dustbin. So students, we had completed the question number 4A1. Now move to the next question. The next question is question number 4B1. Answer the following question. So here the very first question is, was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? Answer. It was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Second word. Had Raman really drawn a cow eating grass? Answer. Raman had not drawn any picture on the board. Third one. What did the king see on Raman's board? Now student, the third answer. The king saw that Raman's board was blank. Fourth question. Which medals are given in the Olympic? Answer. Gold, silver and bronze medals are given in the Olympic. Fifth question. Who takes part in the Olympic game? Answer. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world take part in the Olympic game. Sixth one. When does the bee use its weapon? Answer. The bee uses its weapon when anyone comes near the honeycomb to disturb it. So students, we had completed the revision part. Students, as I told you, the pattern will be same in the exam, but maybe the question answer different. So for that reason, you have to study the revision part as well as whatever the notes I had given you in the combined book and in the English notebook. That part also you have to study for the exam. So students, if you have any doubt regarding the revision part or the grammar part, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So, thank you for watching the video.